Eulogy to a political martyr. Only in dead dreams will we talk to him again. See echoes of that warm smile again, and again whisper, brother. God, silent, no more. It happens to so many, you know. I see the wind wielding lethal weapons, and our necks have no feet to run away. Brother, we too await our turn in the scowling darkness of our bitter time. Sentence of death never pronounced in court. All dreams now broken. Heavens above, please forbid. The well of our tears has since gone dry. The tongues have since withdrawn like porcupine who shouted, crush my body, then chop my neck. Darkness now guards the very entrance we thought safe. The jaws of crocodiles await here all the time, and hope sneaks away when such great sons must simply depart this way. I do not see light at the end of the tunnel. I see a black mamba with its tongue sticking out, almost ready to lick my face. Now, the world's dreams of peace and democracy almost stand silent, stand still. Now, the world's mouths refuse to talk. Our voices are silent now. No saliva wets the throats, and the world's ear awaits keenly to know. The prophet is part of the story. Now all the eyes choose not to see. Lips speak in silence about inexplicable myths of human nature, the suchness of human nature. Our lips move words for you, dear brother, but no word comes out. Only curses from our silent lips bear to this our misery.
dala baba silitshela sikhuluma sithi Nyathi kuzwa kwabaphambili lingathi silitshelanga silitshela kose kulunge baba hayaya silitshela hey sikhuluma silitshela kose kulunge silitshela baba silitshela sikhuluma lingathi silitshela Nyathi kuzwa kwabaphambili mama silitshela sikhuluma silitshela kose kulunge silitshela